Munini Mweu wa Musumbi Prof Kithure Kindiki na ula Waithwa Kithitu cha wea Umunthi na Kutwika Munini wa Musumbi wa Keli Nthini wa Usumbi wa Ruto Itina wa Rigathi Gachagua Kuvetangwa Mwanyani Nthini wa Uneeni wake wa Mbee Niwathana Kuthukuma kwa Vakuvi na Musumbi Kwona Nthi ya Kenya Ndisonga na Mbee. Ingi Nthini wa Uneeni wake niwe ya vakanano kwa atia meo yonthe ya uthukumi ni ati na ila yatia na kuthukuma vengwa atanio na atongoi alangi silikalini. Kuithwa kwake kwa Kithitu kiuka Itina wa koti kunenga na serikali uthei wa kutoa isia cha thiki kwi muthenyani wa iyo. Dan Mongela ena movombe yange.
I Kithure Kindiki
ni muthenya ulokalikana wanenzia wa kuthila ingi vanthi ya Kenya Kithure Kindiki na twika munini wa Musumbi wa katatu ungu wakati bakangilile ne 10 na wakele ungu wa Usumbi wake Dr. William Ruto.
In the said office,
to the best of my judgment,
yathini ki cha Kuithwa Kithitu Kithure Kindiki ni waunya Uneeni wake Itina wa Kuithwa Kithitu ta munini wa Musumbi na ukumbao vala wathana thukuma kwa Vakuvi na Dr. William Ruto kwa kuatia matambi make vate kweleluka.
Words fail me to explain how grateful I am today. I have come to believe that Kenya is the country of possibility. Your Excellency, for a person such as I to stand here today and take oath of the office of the Deputy President, it can only happen in Kenya. But because Kenya is the land and the homeland of possibilities, today, I, perhaps the most unlikely person, is standing here today because Kenya has made it possible for anybody to become anything in this country.
Inki muninio wa Musumbi ni wathana kumolela muio wa utongoi wa nthi ya Kenya Musumbi Dr. William Ruto ingita muweta tawithitwe mwalimu na angelekani nzio maunduni mauteti kwa Mbee wa miaka miongo eliyu.
I am grateful to you, sir, for the honor you have given me to serve under you. Your Excellency, I've been your political student for nearly 20 years now, and nothing in the political space has helped me to pick up lessons more than the years that I have worked and served around you in various capacities. I want to commit to you before this congregation and before the Almighty God, who is acknowledged in the Constitution, that I will serve under you and provide you with the assistance and support you require to take this country to the next level. I commit I will be loyal and faithful. I will try the best of my ability to work hard together with the other colleagues to lighten the burden that you carry on your shoulders, Your Excellency.
Kuithwa kwa Kithitu kwa Kithure Kindiki kuoka ivindani la ikwani ile na thakitwe Mbee wa koti ni mawakili ma Rigathi Gachagua inaseletie seso hii na utukune wa kuamukia Umunthi koti ya veta mwamululu na siito Kuithwa Kithitu mivango ya twaiwa ya kuvanga chathiki cha Umunthi. Kithure Kindiki ndoneka kutunga muvia undu wa mawalanyo ala mekiwe makwa ile chathiki.
For Your Excellency, I'm grateful for the honor which you have given me. I promise you before this congregation and before God that I will not let you down for the privilege you have given me. Your Excellency, sir, in the same breath of gratitude, I am grateful to all the institutions who have facilitated this process, including the ceremony we are having today. And I want to agree with what my elder brother, His Excellency Musalia Mudavadi, has said. Whatever has happened in the last few weeks, and indeed in the recent past, is a testament of the maturity of our democracy, and is a testament that our institutions work.
Kithure Kindiki edukuma Mwanyani wa Munini wa Musumbi Nthini wa miaka eleti alete utongoini wa Musumbi Dr. Ruto metele Kwona utuwa Nthi mwaka nuosa kwa ni wangilile na miongweli na muonza.
Thank you.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutongo TV, kuma kauntini ya Masako.
May I invite